Bam! The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Right now everything is green. Bitcoin is doing 3.75% right now. There is like one thing that's in red, but most is in green. Also, before we start, I want to thank everybody for subscribing to the channel. 20k subs. I didn't think we were gonna get here this fast, so it's really motivating and inspiring to continue doing this right now. Bull market is actually going above all expectation when it comes to my channel. So I had some target like around 30k thousand before the bull market was over, so I'm thinking like that's gonna be broken quite fast. We still got 10k to go to get to my target, but like 30k was like, okay, if I get that, like it's gonna be okay. I can survive the bear market. That said, I want to thank everybody subscribing to the channel. I want to thank the community, because we got a big community on Telegram channel as well, and it's a lot more fun actually doing the YouTube, doing the analysis when I can see your comments in the under the videos, when I can see your comments on the Telegram channel and stuff like that. It makes the thing that I do worthwhile. You know, I know why I'm doing it, you know, because all of these coins, especially on the YouTube, and most of the things that I do, for example on Patreon, I'm not invested in it. I have no incentive to say anything bad or good about it, so I'm very unbiased when I'm doing that. But I know that it means a lot to you, so I'm trying to be as precise as I can. You know, I'm trying to give a most rounded news when it comes to those things. Anyways, again, thanks everybody for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. 20k subs, it's a big landmark for me, at least, so thanks for that. That said, let's see what's actually happening with Bitcoin, man. Let's see what's happening with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up 3.80%. ETH is up like 6-7%. Everything is so bullish as bullish can be. Yesterday we had the red candle over here. We also called, like said, like we might have a red day. Now actually I think 1 hour before, 1.5 hours before the daily close, the market actually dropped quite severely, and I was like, nope, not gonna look that, and I just closed my phone and went to sleep. And then, because you know, when you wake up it's gonna be green, and I woke up and everything's up green, and you can see that this green candle today is a lot bigger than yesterday, this 3.85%. But although the yesterday's candle was only down by 2.11%, it still pulled a lot of alts really hard down. Like I saw alts like down at 6-7% or something like that. So I hope you didn't exit the markets at the wrong time. That said, let's see what's actually happening. Like, there's so much bullishness around Bitcoin bottoming out, and now we are going soon to the all-time high and stuff like that. So it looks very nice. So this bottom over here happened. We went above the 10 moving average, managed to stay for the 3-4 days, explode on the upside. We went above this yellow line, that's the 50 moving average. This is the 20 moving average. Stayed first day. The second day we managed to stay above the 20 moving average. That's some kind of confirmation. Now for 2 days you stand above the 20 moving average, that's confirmation. And then third day, right now we're blasting through target. So our goal for today is actually staying above 57,888. We're also going to go to the weekly chart and see what's actually happening there, but for today, staying above 57,800. This target actually here, it's the target, because this is some kind of very local high. We want to stay above that to continue the bullishness, continue the rise, and stuff like that. Let's go and see what's happening on the weekly chart, because weekly is very important. Weekly just happened today. I mean, yesterday night we had this weekly close. So this candle closed yesterday, and you can see this on the weekly chart up here, 1 week weekly chart. So every one of these candles is 1 week, and you can see that we managed to get it back above this white line over here, and that's super bullish. I don't think you guys understand how super bullish this is. Not only did we close above, came back above the 10 moving average, we invalidated the previous candle, meaning this candle is like it never existed because of this candle. This is something called engulfing bullish candle. And that means that this candle is a lot is entirety bigger than the previous candle. So you can see the previous candle, red candle, is less than entirety of this. That's why this candle is called it's called engulfing, because it engulfs the previous candle in entirety, and this is some kind of invalidation of this drop down here. You can see this on a lot of charts. When things try to break a certain resistance, it just pulls back, it invalidates the breakout and stuff like that. So this is very bullish, and I'm going to also show you right now on the previous bull market in 2017 that this actually happened quite often. These drops down to the 20 moving average. Now we didn't hit the 20 moving average that was going from 43,000 here, and last week 45,000. So a lot of people are counting on 45,000, and are still saying we're gonna go down to 43,000 and whatnot. I don't know where I get these numbers from. I don't see it, because I'm bullish as bullish can be. I'm looking like 100k next target. Like, I'm not looking down, I'm looking up. I don't look at supports, I look at where are the resistances, what do we have to break to get to 100,000, you know. So let's see what's actually happening in the previous bull market. I just want to explain to you how this is actually working out. These are moving averages. This is just a different chart, because on the chart I was showing you that there isn't enough historical data. You can see we went through the 10 moving average almost all the way down to the 20 moving average, and this actually happens several times during the previous bull market. And this is the previous bull market right over here, and we're gonna just remove a couple of lines so you can see this better. These two lines are actually important. That's the 10 moving average and 20 moving average on the weekly chart up here. You can see that, and you can see this drop down to the 20 moving average. So now look what happened here. Here we had this several times. This is the first time we dropped down to 20, down to 20, down to 20. This is actually exactly how we are actually playing out now. Went down, right back up again, invalidation, and this is the big one. So basically we are somewhere around here. We can expect some kind of a drop again perhaps, and then when it starts going real parabolic, you won't see these hits. You will see only hits back to the 10 moving average or something like that when it's continuing right up. But you can see that these hits on the 20 moving average are normal. Even here during a week, this was probably a very panicky day or a couple of days for some people over here that were trading it, because this is during 1 week hit on the 20 moving average. This is 2 weeks, right? 1 week down, 1 week up, but it's a normal market movement. It's actually confirming that we are hitting some kind of bottoms. And not only that, I'm gonna show you some more indicators that we are actually at the bottom. First of all, we're gonna do this on the daily chart, and you're gonna see that this indicator here, the rubber bear index, when we hit the bottom down here, we hit on the rubber bear index this bottom here around 30. This is very important, around 30. Okay, now look what happened. Now look what happened in the previous bull market. We're gonna just do it like this. We're gonna show you, for example, this bottom down here. There are several bottoms, but you can see every time we hit on the rubber bear index some low levels, like here, this one here, it went down to 69. No, sorry, not 69, 36. This down went all the way down to 35, and these drops, the one that we are seeing like right now, they went down to 30 levels. This one dropped down here, and this went to 30 levels. So you can see this doesn't happen that often. It's very rare that it's happened, and when it happens, it indicates actually bottoming, market bottoming out. So we knew kind of that this was bottoming. There are other indicators also on the RSI, on the weekly chart. People are screaming that we are getting the bearish cross over here. It's a bearish cross, bull market is over, all that shebang, and I was telling people no, because we were this is this week. This is previous week, and on this week people are scared, saying that no, we are getting the bearish cross. And even in this week, previous week, right, that we just had, people are still screaming, oh, it's bearish cross, bull market is over, and I was trying to tell them that this is actually market bottoming, and these crosses shouldn't be taken too seriously. And not only that, that should be looked as a bullish signal, because right now we are bottoming out. So how are we bottoming actually out? Let's see what happened in the previous bull market. Let me clear up the chart a little bit, and you can see, let me just zoom into this part over here, and you can see that all of these drop over here, even this one, corresponds to this was, you can see the red candle exactly over here. This was actually the cross, the bearish cross that happened. But when you get this low, that's actually where the bottom is. We see here we never got the cross, but we got very low. That's where the bottom is. here as well, low, that's where the bottom is, and after that we just exploded all the way to the top, so there was no more buttons. But this is an indication that this is not an indication of bearishness or something like that. This is actually an indication of bottoming out. So we have technically bottomed out. We have gone to, I don't know if, I hope you didn't sell. I hope you survived the 2021 a big kahuna, big crash, big getting rid of the leveraged longs, getting rid of the paper hands and all of those people. You know, I know personally some people that actually sold because they were in too much fear, and they'll sold the drop because they are thinking the bull market is over and stuff like that. But right now there is so much bullishness. Not only are we back above the 10 moving average, not only are we back above the 20 moving average, we are going now higher than the previous high. You know, the sky's the limit. So I won't say a lot about what's gonna happen, where the next target should be and stuff like that, what we can expect in this video. Come back tomorrow. We do this Bitcoin video every single day, and we look at it candle by candle. But right now, today, I think it's gonna be a very nice green day. So I want you just to relax, have a nice time, enjoy my 20k subs, and sub if you are not subbing. You know, we still gotta get to 30k. That said, it's gonna be a good day. Everything is green, everything is nice and red. I don't see any problems right now. 4 hourly sitting nicely above the 10 and 20, 1 hourly sitting nice, getting pushed by 10 and 20. So it's looking very good, very nice. I hope you have a nice Monday. There are gonna become like 6 more videos after this one, so do check the channel back and see what's up. Join the Telegram community, very nice community, and of course, again, subscribe to the channel, because you are the person that is making, you know, this work very enjoyable, because the comments that you guys writing in the down there, like I read every single comment, and I then go to the Telegram and see what you guys are talking about, and I chat a little bit with you guys and stuff like that. Like it's really nice. It's nice, you know. The crypto market in 2017 was boring. Today, this 2021 bull market is very exciting. Thanks for that, guys. See you around. Bye bye.